Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to do a frontside 50-50 grind. This trick is one of the most basic tricks, and it is really important to have it before you are moving on to learn any other skate tricks on ledges. All you need to know how to ollie while you are rolling before you try this trick. You need to pick a ledge and make sure you are able to ollie up, and that will help you to learn this trick much faster. The foot position is like an ollie position, back foot on the tail and your front foot just under the balls. There is 3 phases for this trick: ollie up, grind it, and to come up at D. So you want to ride close to parallel to the ledge when you pop your ollie, and with your front foot you will be able to guide your board up to the ledge. You want both trucks on the top of the ledge with your wheels pushed at the side of the obstacle to make sure you lock your frontside 50-50, and it just makes the perfect position for your truck to grind the ledge. Once you're on the top of the ledge and both truck grinding, you just have to center your balance over your skateboard, evenly distributed in both legs. This is the moment when you will realize if you had enough speed to grind the ledge and you log your grind, or you have to jump up. So when you're grinding, make sure you keep a bit of pressure in your tail and you have enough speed, so when you want to come off the edge, all you have to do is lift up your front truck so you are able to roll off the ledge. You always need to adjust your speed and your ollie depending on the height of the ledge, but that you will figure out after the first couple of tries, and you will get used to it no matter what are you trying to frontside 50-50. Let me know in the comments if you like frontside or backside 50-50s. You can subscribe and watch the weekly videos, but the most important is to go find a ledge, start to practice your frontside 50-50 grind. Go skate and have fun.